Okay, thanks for watching. So in the link below, you're gonna be able to get access to my complete LeadsLeap training course. Okay, this is a full-blown course on how to run your entire LeadsLeap back office. Everything is in here. It's a complete training done by me. Um, all the videos are in here, and you can go through. It starts off with the main dashboard and how to set up your ads. Um, and it's got all the notes sections in here. It's got the transcript that you can go straight to. It's all searchable and everything, so that you can go to specific aspects of the training, and it'll load. So you can go straight to different sections of the training. It's all been added in here. So then you can obviously you can go back to the videos, and you can look. It's got everything. It's got the main dashboard. It's got set up your ads. It's got the review section. It's got tracking links and rotators and ad bars. It's got the list manager. It's got full training in for the list manager, um, and complete note section. Introduce to the introduction to the list manager. Manage your email list. How to add a list. How to get users to the next page. Blah blah blah. So it's searchable. It's you can check the notes, and you can go straight to the various section of the video. So you can go to different aspects, how to import or import your emails. You can go to the transcript, and you can check out the transcript. It's got the full transcript in here, um, and you can go to specific sections of the video. Okay, and then you can go back and you can check out the other videos. So it's got the page manager, it's got the pop-up section. Learn how to use pop-ups in LeadsLeap, image and PDF hosting. You can learn about how to get paid with LeadsLeap, and start watching about the money. Again, everything has complete details, and section on the notes section, and also the transcripts as well. So you've got a complete section there. Um, and then it goes over the view followers. Okay, this is your downline in LeadsLeap, affiliate resource section, and extra learning. I'm going to be adding to this course. I'm going to be adding more of kind of FAQ. I'm going to be adding specific videos detailing other things, and I'll be updating it, making a complete course. So get on the link below. You can check this out. It's got everything you need, guys. For giving out this kind of you know this kind of value. I would really appreciate working with me, giving me a like, commenting, subscribing to my channel. That's what I'm doing here as I'm uploading content. It's taking me a lot of work to get this sorted. And I know a lot of people have been asking for something like this. And, you now have a complete training package here. Share it out with your team. Let's get people on board. Let's get people set up. There's a lot of content in here, a lot of content on each of these videos, and I've put in a lot of work and effort to get this out. So hope you like it, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Give me a comment, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.